Good day, grade 8 students. I'm Ms. Ndlazi and welcome to yet another creative arts lesson. Today we'll just be doing some revision. This is something that we did during term 1. So in your exercise books, please turn to your color wheels and make the following amendments or corrections if there are discrepancies. So if there are differences between what I'm saying now and what you have done in your exercise book. The color wheel, as you can see, is circle. It's a perfect circle, and unfortunately I've seen that some of you make an oval or square, and both of these are unacceptable. Okay, so the first thing you always check is that you have a compass to make a perfect circle. Let's label these. We'll call this color wheel 1, color wheel 2, and color wheel 3. In the first color wheel, you'll always draw this if you're asked to draw a color wheel. If there are no further explanations as to whether I'm asking for primary colors or secondary colors, if I just ask for a color wheel, you will draw color wheel number 1. The first thing, or let's say the second thing, that you will ensure is that the name of the color wheel is there. The second thing is that you will ensure that all the 6 portions or all the colors that should be there are there. That is red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Okay. The third thing is that you must always make sure that your portions are the same sizes. You can't have one portion being bigger than the other, so you can't have one color being bigger than all the others. All the colors must be the same sizes. The third thing is that you must make sure that your colors are in the correct order. If you look at color wheel number 1, you'll notice that it's going anti-clockwise. When something is going anti-clockwise, it's going this way, and when something is going clockwise, it is going this way. Now, I will not pay attention to whether your color wheel is going in an anti-clockwise or a clockwise motion. What matters most is that all the colors are there. Alright, now the fourth thing that you will focus on is whether you have labeled all your colors. Right, so you cannot write R for red. This is incorrect. You must write red in full. That's the fourth thing. Okay. Let's talk about color wheel number 2. In color wheel number 2, this is a direct question or statement saying draw a color wheel that indicates the primary colors. The primary colors are known to us as red, yellow, and blue. If you are asked to draw a color wheel but only indicate the primary colors, this is what you're going to do. The last color wheel indicates secondary colors, so you will draw this only if you're asked to draw a color wheel where you indicate the secondary colors. Okay, so that's what you're going to do. The same rules apply, so each color must be the same size, the labels must be there, the colors must be there. All of that still matters, but you should just be informed that these labels ought to be correct. Okay, thank you very much for joining me today. I hope that you are safe and that you are staying home.